Hey everyone, welcome back to the Great Garden Challenge, where we're taking this garden and seeing how much food we can grow in an entire season. And in fact, we had a whole giveaway associated with it. Whoever gets the closest to guessing how much dollar value worth of food we grow wins some awesome prizes. And we're coming down to the last couple weeks here. I'm actually kind of backfilling this info from these last couple weeks. So on this week for the challenge, the last couple weeks we didn't have a lot going on. It was more just maintenance of the garden and harvesting some more things. So this week I harvested basil. You'll see a video here. Hey everyone, so I am doing the final basil harvest here. You see, basil is very cold sensitive, and actually I think that's probably why it has these little brown spotting on the leaves that you can see here, because it has been getting down into the 40s. It's been getting colder. We have not had a freeze yet, otherwise it would really, be an issue. But I'm gonna come in and do a final harvest here and just take off all of the good leaves here, and this will be the last of the basil. The temperatures were dropping. We did not hit any freezes, like all-out freezes yet, but as the temperatures drop, basil does not do well in cold temperatures. And so we went in and did a final harvest off of the basil, and we harvested other things as well. And we're just continuing to rack up our total dollar value count for this garden. Now I want to take a quick minute to talk about our weekly giveaways, because throughout this entire series, we've been giving away a product each week. And as we come down to these last couple of weeks, we are a little behind in posting stuff out. So we don't have the winners already picked because people haven't already commented on all of these videos. So for these last couple of weeks, what we're gonna do is we're gonna post the video, and within a week or two, we're gonna come in, select a random comment from down below, and give away a bag of our most popular product in the Seedtime store, Earth Medicine. Earth Medicine is a granulated cow manure compost. Basically, it's gone through the whole composting process and then an additional process that rolls it into these little granules. Very easy to spread on your garden. We've had people have amazing success with it. It's not necessarily a fertilizer, although it does have some fertilization properties in it as well. But it's even more a huge boost to the microbiological life in your garden. It's going to help make a lot of the other nutrients that are there available to your plants and all of that. So leave a comment down below for a chance to win a bag of Earth Medicine. Very quick update this week. I'm super excited. Next week is the grand finale when everything wraps up. It's going to be exciting to see how much we grow. So if you've been enjoying this process, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell icon down below, and you can catch there's a link down in the description where you can catch all of the videos from this whole series, from when we started this garden from scratch all the way to where we are today. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.